I'm back and I'm ready to explore fun new locations and face daring challenges with my best pal, Roobit. Are you ready, little buddy? Whoa, what is this place? Whoa, Roobit, what is this place? I mean, check out all the funny pictures on the wall. This must be the Museum of Illusions. I have always wanted to come here. That's right, Roobit. An illusion is where you think you see one thing, but in actuality, it's something completely different, like a trick on your eyes. Watch. Ta-da! An illusion. Come on, Roobit. I'll show you what I mean. Whoa! Just kidding. It's just a picture. Nothing to worry about, Roobit. I've heard that some of the items in this museum are real and some are just illusions. So the fun is trying to figure out which is which. Come on, Roobit. Let's go explore. Come on, Roobit. Don't be such a fraidy cat. I know exactly where we are. I think the exit is that way. Or is it that way? Maybe it's... Maybe we're lost after all, Roobit. I don't know, but maybe it's just an illusion? Another illusion. I should have guessed. Ruby! Woo! Thank you. Great job, everybody. New quest! Find your way out. Amazing! Wait, find your way out? Okay, there's no sense messing around. We have to find our way out. No magic illusion is gonna scare us, right, Roobit? I am just sure, Roobit, that we came this way. You know, if only we had a map or something, and then we could... Is this an illusion? Or is this a real deal? I don't even know. Roobit, maybe we should go around? Another illusion. Or is it? Maybe we can fly our way out of here. This place is so much fun, Roobit. I really like it here. I just can't wait for our next challenge. New challenge? Cross the gap for 20 Roo points. Cross the gap for 20 Roo points? I can't do that. Okay, I guess we gotta cross the gap. Right, Roobit. No sudden moves. Gently, gently. I can't do it. I'm scared of heights. Okay, but how can I tell if it's an illusion? That's a good idea, Roobit. Let's see now. Okay, here goes nothing. 1, 2, 3. Look! Look, Roobit, it worked. It is just an illusion. There's nothing to be afraid of after all. Yay! We did it! We did it! Roobit, we did it! We crossed the gap. What is that? Power up acquired. Reverse gravity. Reverse gravity? That ought to come in handy. Now to find our way out of here. feeling, I have an idea. Initiating power up. Whoa! Wait a second. We did it! Roobit, we reverse gravity. This is so neat. Come on, let's go have a look around. Roobit, we did it! We found the exit! We found the way out! Oh! Hey, Morgan! Hey, Robert! What are you guys doing here? Oh. Just another illusion? I should have guessed. Thank you. Oh, hey! It's just an illusion.